Okay, everybody, this is try 2 on the information about assessments because I accidentally saved over the top and uploaded the wrong one for this unit. So try 2. This is information about the assessments for 11355. You have 2 assessments. You have your online quizzes and you have the lesson plan and the rationale. Now, it's really important that you remember that you've got to pass the unit, you have to have submitted all of the assessments and you have to achieve a composite mark of at least 50% to pass. Of course, I want you to submit all of the assessment and pass all of the assessment because that's better for you and it's better for your future students as well. And it's better for the profession. And I'm here to try and make the profession as good as it can possibly be. So the online quizzes are reasonably self-explanatory. There are 4 of them. They're due a couple of weeks apart. And of course, you'll find them in Canvas on the online quizzes page, links from the assessment page, not difficult to find. So your first one is in just under 3 weeks. What I really want to focus on is the lesson planning and the rationale because they're worth 60% of your mark. 2 components to that, obviously, a lesson plan and a rationale. Now, this is the marking criteria for this, and you'll see that there's some keywords in there. It's about setting learning goals. It's about demonstrating your range of strategies. It's about demonstrating effective planning. So, and of course, appropriate communication and referencing. So, in setting your learning goals and demonstrating a range of strategies and demonstrating understanding of planning, you're going to have to support what you have to say with reference to the literature. So if you're just giving me an opinion piece with no reference to the literature, you're not going to pass. But also you need to make sure that you're also giving me your opinion. You're not just telling me what everybody else says. So you need to find that balance. You've got 2,000 words to do this in. That does, of course, include the lesson plan itself, and I do want you to use the lesson plan template. And when I say 2,000 words, of course, what I actually mean is 1,800 words to 2,200 words. So try and you've got to manage the word limit. It's really important that you have somebody else read your draft because they will pick up, you will read what you wanted to write, the person who is reading it will read what you actually wrote. So please do get somebody else to proofread for you. That will be very helpful. In terms of appropriate academic referencing, I always write with the UC Library Referencing Guide open. So if I'm at all, every time I put a reference in, I'm double checking that it's correctly laid out. So I encourage you to do that. And if you have any questions about any of the assessments, please make sure that you post those questions in the relevant discussion board, which is of course up on Canvas. Okay, it was fairly short, sharp and to the point, but as I said, questions, put them up on Canvas so that everybody can see, and we'll talk about it there. Thanks, folks.